Hello traders, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn pivot point strategy and how you can use it to make profit. But first, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. So, without wasting any time, let's begin with today's topic. First, select the script of your choice. Then go to the Indicators tab and type Pivot Point Standard. Then something like this will show up. The orange horizontal lines are pivots. Now go the settings of the indicator as shown, then select Inputs and change the type to Fibonacci. Now, turn off the selected options, S3S for S5 and R3R for R5. Then click OK. Now, these horizontal lines wreath possible areas of interest acting as support or resistance for the day. The middlemost line is the pivot line, and the S1, S2 are the possible support for the day, and R1, R2 are the possible resistance for the day. Now, if the price is above of any of these lines, the line will act as a support for the price, and if the price is below of any of the line will act as the resistance for the price. Now, let's begin with the strategy. If the price breaks the pivot line from above, we'll enter a sell trade. Let's see an example. Price broke the pivot and downfall was seen. Simultaneously, if the price breaks the pivot line from below, we'll enter a buy trade. Let's see example again. Price broke the pivot and up move was seen. But sometimes these breakouts or breakdown fails. So we'll enter a trade with the confirmation off candlestick pattern. You can watch our video on candlesticks patterns for reference. I'll put the links of the bullish and bearish candlesticks video in the description box. Now let's see how to trade. If we enter a sell trade, our stop loss will be above the entry candle, and our target will be S1. Simultaneously, if we enter a buy trade, our stop loss will be below the entry candle, and our target will be R1. Now, let's see a live example of buy trade. Here, the price was hovering near pivot. Once it tried to give a breakout, but no entry was initiated because no candlestick entry was found. But again, it gave a breakout with power candle, so we'll enter with stop loss on bottom of that candle, and our target will be R1. A good risk to reward of 1:2 was achieved. Now, the live example of sell and buy trade together. First, we see a breakdown from pivot and our target was achieved. Again, we see a breakout from pivot line, and again, target was achieved. So when it's a sell signal, we'll enter a sell trade with our stop loss at top of our entry candle and target at S1. Simultaneously, when we see a buy signal, we'll enter with stop loss at bottom of entry candle and our target at R1. Again, good risk to reward was achieved. Like the video if you learned something, and subscribe, it's free to do. Points to remember. First, we'll always use the strategy on 5 or 15 minutes time frame because it's an intraday strategy. Second, pivots line is very important. We'll take entry once it's broken with proper candlesticks pattern. Third, the S1, S2 and R1, R2 acts as the areas of support and resistance, so always exit your positions on that. Fourth, beginners can use this indicator for plotting the support and resistance. Fifth, never hold your positions overnight if you're an intraday trader because everyday levels of pivot are different. Comment down your views and tell us on what topic you want the next video on.